Hey guys, it's Bads here. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and helps us grow so we can bring you more quality content, and then we'll go ahead and get you to the gardens at Bellagio a lot faster. Hey guys, and welcome back to Ace of Vegas. Ace is in the place, and this is my MGM Signature Trip Report.
Ready to go.
Let's see, 620. Oh, 621, this is us. We flew into Vegas on Frontier. The tickets were pretty cheap, and it's a pretty quick flight from Denver, so $50 round trip was worth an hour and a half of my time, I'd say. Sandwich right here, the card sandwich, and we're gonna go ahead and see what we're gonna do. We checked into the Signature and tried the $20 technique, then scored a bangin' upgrade on the suite that would have cost us something like $40 or more a night, bare minimum. The pools at the Signature and MGM were both great. A little sparse on the open bars and grills because of the time and year, but the liquor kept flowing and there was plenty of shade. My favorite part was making new friends and cruising around the MGM Grand lazy river. Food was awesome all around. Had a great time at MGM Grand Celebrity Restaurant, Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill. The prices were pretty typical of a Las Vegas steakhouse, but our free entree from My Vegas made up for nearly a third of the price.
There's that fire!
We also took a stop off at the Mirage Hotel and Casino. There we enjoyed a bit of cool blackjack action, but more importantly, took on the buffet. My M Life membership card let us skip the line and go straight into the action. The buffet is varied and ranges from Italian, Asian, and classic American comfort food with plentiful crab and steak from the carvery. Also got a nice little taste of the Las Vegas nightlife. My Vegas comp also secured free entry to the Foundation Room at House of Blues. It has a pretty nice burger, but mainly enjoyed the view and the lounge's ambiance. The restaurant was open too, but I love the lounge. It may be open to the public, but it still has a private, exclusive feel to it. Great way to start a party. And that's the type of view that you pay for here at Foundation Room with Mandalay Bay. Gotta love it. I don't think I have any major gripes. Our service was very good, the food and wine was easy to find, and there weren't any particularly wild parties next door to keep me up all night. If anything, my only complaint is that the Signature is too far from the center of the Strip, so it's always a bit of a trek to get into the action. Otherwise, I'd say this trip was a perfect 5 out of 5. I'd go back to Signature in a heartbeat. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks videos, and we'll get you to the Signature at MGM a whole lot faster. Happy spinning, guys.
Had a great time. Ace of Vegas, signing out, guys. Peace out.